Hello friends, today we will discuss the topic how to uninstall Opera browser. First of all, we have to go to search and then type control panel. In control panel, we will see the program and features, and here we see Opera browser, and then click on uninstall. It will going to be uninstalled. As we click on uninstall, it asks about whether we have to delete my Opera user data. And like if we are using Opera browser and we have its bookmark and some other settings, then can we have to retain these settings, or we have to delete this all settings? We will select delete all settings if we don't want to put anything, and then we click on uninstall. Here is two options: uninstall and reinstall. Reinstall means it will automatically reinstall after uninstall, but we want to uninstall. Click on it. Here it asks about by continuing you will not be able to browse the internet with the safe and secure Opera browser. Your local browser data will be lost. Are you sure you want to continue? I will click on yes. As I will click on yes, it will continue to uninstall. Here it gives a message, error message: Opera failed to uninstall. Because unable to install Opera, please make sure Opera is not running and try again. First we will check whether our Opera browser is running or not. If it's running, then we have to close it before uninstalling. We will close this and then try again. Uninstalling is in progress, and minimum time to uninstall. Uninstalling is in progress. And hopefully it will be uninstalled in a while. It will not take much time. Uninstallation is completed, and we can also verify from control panel whether it is present in control panel or not. Friends, you can see in control panel no Opera browser is available. It means it's uninstalled, completely uninstalled. This is the topic how to uninstall the Opera browser. For like more good videos, for receive more good videos, please like, subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.